Imagine walking through the fields and you spot a tall, rugged plant with huge, soft leaves, standing out like a natural landmark. You'd probably think, what is this mysterious green giant? Well, that's mullein, a powerful herb that has been used for centuries for its incredible health benefits. But here's the thing, it's not just any ordinary plant, it's a plant with a story that goes back thousands of years, and it's packed with secrets that could change the way you look at herbal medicine. Mullein, or Verbascum thapsus, is a tall, herbaceous plant known for its striking, velvety leaves and towering flower spikes. Growing in many parts of the world, it can reach up to 2 meters in height. But don't let its size fool you. It's small in stature when compared to the power it holds in the world of herbal remedies. Mullein has earned its place in folklore and modern medicine alike, and today, we're diving deep into why this herb deserves a spot in your herbal collection. This plant isn't just another garden variety. Mullein was considered a magic plant in many cultures. In ancient Greece, Hippocrates, often called the father of medicine, recommended mullein for respiratory issues. But here's a fun fact. The plant was also used by medieval herbalists to ward off evil spirits. Yes, you heard that right. It was believed that mullein could drive away negativity both physically and spiritually. Its torch-like flower spikes even earned it the nickname Aaron's rod, based on the biblical story of Moses' brother Aaron, who wielded a staff that was said to have miraculous powers. So what's going on inside this extraordinary herb? Mullein contains saponins, flavonoids, and a range of other compounds, like tannins, that support its health-boosting properties. It's particularly rich in mucilage, which gives it that soothing, slippery texture when used medicinally. This is the secret behind its ability to help with coughs and sore throats. Now, let's get to the good part. Why should you care about mullein? First off, this plant has an outstanding reputation for supporting the respiratory system. Its calming, anti-inflammatory effects make it excellent for soothing sore throats, coughing, and even asthma. Imagine being able to breathe easier and clear up that lingering cough with a natural remedy that's been trusted for centuries. But that's just the beginning. Mullein is also a powerful ally when it comes to ear infections. Historically, mullein oil was used to soothe earaches, and modern studies show it has antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help treat infections. And it doesn't stop there. Mullein is also believed to support the digestive system. It can help relieve constipation, bloating, and even support kidney health, all thanks to its natural diuretic and anti-inflammatory qualities. Did you know mullein has also been called nature's toilet paper in some cultures? Sounds odd, but its large, soft leaves were traditionally used as a natural, gentle alternative to toilet paper. It's a bit of a quirky historical tidbit, but it just goes to show how useful this plant was in everyday life, even in the most unexpected ways. Now, how do you use mullein for your health? Let's talk about preparing mullein tea. The process is simple, but it's essential to know the right method to extract its full benefits. Start by taking a teaspoon of dried mullein flowers. You can find these at health stores or online, and steep them in boiling water for about 10 minutes. It's best to use a tea infuser or strain the tea well, as the fine, downy hairs on the flowers can sometimes irritate your throat. For an extra boost, add a bit of honey to help soothe any irritation. And here's a pro tip. If you're suffering from a cold or cough, drinking mullein tea a few times a day can really help loosen up mucus and clear your airways. In a world where we're constantly looking for natural, time-tested remedies, mullein stands out as one of nature's best-kept secrets. Whether you're using it to clear your sinuses, soothe a sore throat, or just boost your respiratory health, mullein's versatility makes it a must-have in any herbalist's toolkit. Plus, it's been trusted by ancient healers and modern herbalists alike, so why not give it a try yourself? Have you ever used mullein before, or is this the first time you've heard of it? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I'd love to hear about your experiences with this fascinating herb and any other herbal teas you'd like to learn about next. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the wonderful world of herbs.